Hi, this is Marjorie, and here is my nighttime Christmas video. It's going to be a quickie because I just want to show you some of my holiday lights. So here we go. This is my Christmas tree in the entry. I'm going to do a daytime video. Oh dear. He's not going to be quiet, is he? Okay, here is my tree. I'm going to walk over here. Give you a glimpse. This isn't going to be long. You don't have to endure this too much. Snow and presents. My mantle. Up close, I have a tree. My TV, of course. And I have lots of little, what do you call it? Snow babies. They're so cute. I'll show you them up close when I do my daytime video. They're so pretty. This is my little shrine. My puppies that are passed are right here. They passed this year. And over here is my favorite thing to look at night. My dining room. Set with the chargers. The candles are on. My tea service. And of course my chandelier. Mistletoe everywhere. And there's a guy wearing a green shirt in the kitchen. Hey, Dan.
Hi.
So how much weight have you lost on keto?
20 pounds in 2 months.
Woohoo! That is awesome.
Yeah, I'm really glad. I'm just fixing my creation that I made with the help of my wife, of course. It's like a taco casserole that I found the...
well, show us.
Well, this
Put a
isn't
dollop.
fresh.
Yeah, put a dollop of whipped cream. I'm going to try to go over
Sour
there.
cream, you mean?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, whipped cream would not work. Okay, I got my Christmas Santa punch bowl that I've had for years. Long time. That's a very old one. It's not a new replica. This is my, I'm going to get this in real quick. My hot chocolate. Maybe it's cold outside. And my coffee station with to-go cups and lids. I'm going to have to kill that moose. Okay, so what's Dan?
Does he ever shut up?
No, he never shuts up.
Okay.
He's, this is Dan. I'm going to zoom right in. I call this Dan's Taco Special. He actually found the recipe on Facebook.
Yep.
And he had to have a colonoscopy, and he was so hungry that as soon as he got done, we ran to the store and got all this food, all the ingredients to make it. I think there was like jalapenos and hamburger and onions. What else?
Oh, well then we made the topping with eggs and we put cream cheese in cream cheese in it as well.
To stir it, actually in with the meat.
In with the meat. The
Yeah.
topping had eggs and what else did we put in there? I can't even remember.
It doesn't matter. This is going to
lots
go on
of
forever.
cheese.
Yeah.
Lots of cheese.
Oh yeah, lots of cheese.
Heavy cream, lots of cheese on top. We put about 3 different kinds of cheese.
Hey Dan.
And then we baked it.
Dan. Sorry to interrupt you, but turn sideways. I want everybody to see how good you look. He used to look like Santa. He's getting the once over here.
Okay.
Look how good he looks.
So it's
Okay,
time for
I
me.
got Dan this Santa Claus. It's the most wonderful time for a beer. We just had his 70th birthday party, and that was his. Here's my Santa Claus, because I baked his cake, and it has the little... These are both Kurt Adler collectibles, and I just love them. Okay, so basically, my Christmas video is going to be... Oh, by the way, it says y'all need coffee right by my coffee station. My Mrs. Claus apron. And you can see there's a chubby gentleman over there in that corner, and it's so dark I'm not going to go over there. There's a kitty cat. And I don't know if you can see outside on my deck all of the chairs. Well, there's one of my deck chairs. I brought it in so we'd have extra seating at the party. And I wrapped the cushions in red plaid blankets and the seat in black blankets. And here is one of my other Santa Clauses. So we're gonna keep this short, like I said before. Oh, I'll show you all I did in my bedroom. It's already up to 5 minutes. Okay, my bedroom, I tied little bows, woo, around the wall lamps and a little piece of greenery and pictures of us. Fluffy rug on the floor, fluffy pillows, and that's about it. So, like I said, you know, if this bothers you to watch a nighttime video, wait for the daytime one. And I will be recording that soon. And I'm sorry I'm so late. Last year I recorded much earlier. I know everybody's already decorated, but at any rate, oh, and one more thing I want to show you. This is my Christmas travel mug. I bought 3 of these and gave 2 of them to my best friends. You can microwave them. I love them. So anyway, that's it. And update on Dan, 20 pounds down. Update on me, nothing. Still trying to lose. Still trying to get back into, I haven't gained anything. I'm just not exactly losing. So anyway, all right. So that's it. Keep calm and keto on, and I will talk to you next time. So if you're new here, do me a favor and please subscribe and ring the little bell, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Leave me your comments. Be kind. Bye, y'all.